Alrighty then. Hey everyone, what's up? It's Amber Pro here, and welcome back to another coding episode thing. And this one, you know what? I'll go ahead and extract a thing there as well. XZF downloads / node WebKit 7.1. That way I can update the node thingy. Better performance, better hookers. No, stop. We're not doing that. Alright. So, I'm gonna chat over here. Meow meow.
Meow.
Meow indeed. Hooligan. How you doing, Neo? I do hope Neo doing good. Oh, we need to... Airless! What up? What up? What up? Oh, Airless. Let me show you the thing here. RMMZ code. Check this out. I've been working on the shaders, and hold on. The HDR thing, I guess I'll show off one at a time. So I'll just do this one first. So yeah, we'll do the tune shader first, and then I'll get back to work on that. More bad luck. I'm also getting creamed in Monopoly. Oh, that's not good. Alright, so this is the tune shader, I think. Hold on, I didn't apply it, did I? Did I not save it? Okay, yeah, got rid of the big net, go to that one, go to that one. Oh, no, I accidentally disabled all of them. Alright, so this is the tune shader. It's like a cartoon effect. It can actually be in like combination with any of the other shaders, but so I'll disable that one, and let's enable HD shader, which is the HD lighting thing. It's kind of subtle here, but let me increase that actually. Is that the world is? It is. Well, that's how friendships end for sure. Like in Monopoly, like, but nothing is a friend ender. Like unlike Mario Party, and even Mario Kart for the N64. The heck is filter globals? Anyway, level equals 0.7. So yeah, I just brightened the effect a lot so you can like see how the lighting changes. Like, look how bright it gets. Bright here, and then it gets like darker. Like over here, it'll get darker. You can kind of, yeah. So we did manage to achieve that one. And the other one that I have is, forgot what I named it though. Well, yeah, we got the bloom thing. We already know the bloom one works. Looks good too. I kind of like the bloom one. A bit blurry though. And finally, we have the vignette shader. I don't know how to pronounce that. Vignette. I don't know how to pronounce it properly. So yeah, we have multiple modes. This is mode 3, I believe. And then we have mode. Hold on, let's just go from mode 0. Uniforms dot style. That's what it was. So style 0 is just your standard vignette filter. You can actually control it by the levels. So we can do like level equals 50 for like, yeah, you can do all kinds of cool stuff. Level equals 1. That's not what I meant to do, actually. It's not levels. What is it? Size. So So you can do like a small one where it's just softening the edges a little bit. You can do box height if you want to make it larger, box width to make it even larger, or you can even do like 1,000 and make it even larger. And then we have the different styles. So we have style 0, style 1, which is pretty dang cool. I like this one. Style 2 is pretty nice too. It kind of like runs along the edges. And style 3 is this really cool animated one here. I love how like it looks like, I don't know, it's just so cool. And yeah, that's what I was doing a little bit last night after I ended the stream. It's like the world's being eaten. Yes, it does. So yeah, I'm gonna work on this a little bit, and then I guess we'll go ahead and start working on the like the water, like where you can add water drops and stuff. And like have it, heck, you can even have it splash off of events if you want to. It's pretty cool. It's not that it's difficult for that one, because that one actually wouldn't be that difficult. It's more time consuming than anything. What was I doing here? Oh, that's right. Alright, so alright, so instead of a PSTR thing, we're gonna... Okay, yeah. And then alright, I'm gonna redo all of that there. Okay, where's the possible function again? I don't remember where that was. Okay, check item requirements. I think I've seen videos that I've done in NV. Yeah, kinda. You're probably referring to... let me bring it up real quick. You're probably referring to this one. Where like you had like the real-time reflections, the water like rippling effects and all that. Monopoly tides are turning. Indeed, you turn them tides. Oh yeah, and it had like the water like running down the walls and stuff. That was fun to make. Alright, current equals item array index ID. Current is equal to item, which item is that. Okay. Possibilities, push. Okay, yeah. And Okay, so that should already be true. Gives me the highest return. That would probably be this one. Where is it? Right here. It would either be this one or the other one that I made. Right here. Either this one or this one. Like, these are like my most popular ones. The retro, like, you have composite filter, Game Boy style stuff, dithering and all that stuff. Which, by the way, I'll be able to do dithering way better than I did before now. This one right here was kind of like... This was probably the funnest one that I've worked on. Because it's just a straight up Game Boy filter thing. Like, you had your 4 color palettes and it's... Yeah. Alrighty. Okay, so... that. Okay. All right. Is that possible? Not array. All right. And there we go. So, if not, if this dot mix list dot length is greater than dot length, or it's not, or it's less than. No, if it's equal to, and if it's set to true. Possible to set to true. Turn 69. Ayy. Got him. Alright. Then we will add a little, we'll like make a little function here. We'll say this dot draw icon A. Yeah, icon index, scale X, scale Y alpha. That's what it was. Right? And the icon index will be item.iconIndex. And let's see, this dot draw item data items. This dot possible I dot array yeah, and then that's what we'll do. All right. Hold on. And then we will do reward will be cat. Wait, yeah, cat dot formula. Okay, form. That's what it was. It should be form, and then reward. S, I think. And you're losing again? No, you got to turn it around. You can do this. Yeah, that should be the. Show them who's boss. So let's see, console.log items. This is gonna be a disaster. Guess that means you'll be flipping your screen? It's not a... Flip the board. Yes, flip your screen. That should work just fine. Alright. Possible i.rewards is not iterable. Alright, so why not? Oh, it's not iterable, meaning... Okay, that makes sense. Undefined. Okay. Let's get rid of this real quick. But yeah, around 10:50 or 11, I'm gonna... Okay, what is happening? Why? Like around 10:50 or 11, we're gonna go back to the shader stuff, and we're gonna make some like really fun stuff. Oh, that's why. Generating item. Why? Okay, before it gets reset, it's what? 0 is undefined. What? Why? Okay, that means it has to do with this. Okay, so why is this not working out? Alright, let's get rid of that real quick and then say console.log this again. This dot possible I dot rewards. Is it reward or rewards that I put? Reward, that's why. No, it's not either because I already tried that. Okay, so it's here. Aha. No. That doesn't make sense. Okay, hold on. Okay. Why is it undefined? When reading item. Oh, I don't know why. I know why it's doing it. We'll just do it this way. There we go. Yeah. Okay. Item. We have that. Chances. Okay, should be this. Items, chances. I'll just do. Yeah. All right, there's the actual item and the chances. So. Now we just do this dot, okay. This dot item array dot map itm, index, and we'll say this, okay, yeah, and then let x draw equals 0, let y draw equals 0. This dot draw icon A, and this will be x draw. Hold on, first off, okay, index dot item dot icon index, I think, yeah. Icon index. This will be x draw, y draw. We need to come up with a width. So width is going to be equal to about 96. Height is going to be equal to this dot line height times 2.5. So yeah, x draw, y draw. 0.5 for the alpha. Okay. 1, 1 for the scale. Or is it 32? Yeah. Let's see. 1 for the alpha. This is probably not going to look that great at first. Okay, height is not defined. Oh, what? Oh, I didn't put let in front of that? Map. Oh, this dot item array. That's fine. I need to not do that. Or make typos, apparently. This dot line, this dot, yeah, contents dot height divided by 2 plus this dot line height. There we go. Gotta get a good look at it. Alright, so I will be right on back. I'm gonna go get some wake up juice. Coffee is indeed life. There we go. Alrighty, so getting back to it. Now it's pretty close to 11, so I do want to work on the shaders, but we will do this plus width divided by 2 minus 16. Before I do that though, I do want to see how, there we go. Divided by 1.5. Alright, no, we'll keep it like that. And then we will do this dot contents dot fill rect. X draw, Y draw, width, height. Y draw is gonna have to be like minus, say like 8. X draw will start at 8 as well. And then, you know, that gets us like a pretty decent padding. Then we will do, yeah, X draw plus equals width. Or we want the padding though. Width plus 8. I would make padding a dynamic thing, but Or a variable, I mean. Instead of like hard coding it like that, but if xDraw is greater than this.contents.width minus width, then xDraw equals 8 and yDraw plus equals height plus 8. And now we will do this.draw text ex. And we'll say the percentage. So index dot chances times 100 and then percent. Yeah, and then slash n, and then we will do, you know what? Let's just do it this way. Instead of draw text ex, let's just do draw text. We'll do the x position as xDraw, the y position as yDraw plus this.line height. And then this, okay, and then we'll do the width for this. And then center. I went bankrupt, rip. So Airless, is there any, like, anything that you want, like, suggested? While we work on the shaders, like any kind of like effect, especially now that we can use the modern WebGL properly with Pixie.js. And then so after that we will do this times 2. False stop! What up? Suggest more false stop? How you doing? Okay. So I think the line height will change for that as well, right? Because the, alright, no it won't. So, yeah, so we'll just do it that way. False stop equals keep going? That is true. Okay, so actually we can just do times 1.5. Yeah. Okay. In dot item dot name. That looks kind of good. Yeah, and this will be dot substring. Hold on. Var I name equals. If I name dot length is greater than 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Greater than 9. I name equals that. Dot substring to 0 and then up to 6 and then plus dot. Now the stimulant should work just fine, but the hooker potion. There it is. That's pretty dang cool. But it still doesn't, yeah. It still matters, like, what order you put it in. Alright, anyway. Going on to the shaders. Thinking of nothing is taking me a while. No, you're good, you're good. So, in that case, I want to go ahead and start the water thing. The person I'm up against owns everything, and thanks, she's losing still. Bruh. Take that to your advantage. Be like, alright, look. Listen, girl, I like you, so I'm gonna tell you this, alright? If you give me that, you win. I promise. Get her to, like, sell a property for, like, a penny or something. Should we do it with this, though? Yes, we should. Alright, RPG Maker MV, or MZ. Well, the temple level isolated to test. Break live on the channel. I'm gonna take my jacket off. I'm warm. Been taking a break due to depression. I feel that. I really do. I am so sorry. Okay, what's going on? Why is that so slow? I just need to, like, load some random map that doesn't, like, already have water on it so I can test this. But you know what? We'll go to the convenience store this time. Pretty convenient, right? Okay, so let me disable all the other ones again. Make sure they're properly disabled. Anyway, they'll be down here. Enable this files. Enable this files. So, hide this, hide that, hide your kids, hide your wife. Okay, before any of those, this one right here needs to take effect. Water shader. I'm sorry to hear that. I've also been dealing with a little bit of depression. Like, for the life of me, there are some things that I can code and, like, just happily do it. And then there are things that every time, like, I try, I just immediately, all of my, like, hopes, dreams, and desires just evaporate. Oh, I just realized a little mess up that I did in there. There we go. Okay, that one's good. Bloom shader should, yeah. Okay. The reason I'm doing these little IIFEs and then using a .call thing is because I want to be able to, like, hide them like that and have, like, a little comment, like, showing which one it is and that kind of thing. It's not ideal. That WAD the hardest hit. That was the hardest hit. Oh, that was our musician dropping out of the project last year. I got you. But you know, it's kind of better to have them drop out now than later. Like, imagine being super far in Yeah. You remember how awesome the tunes were, right? Looney Tunes? No, I'm kidding. Yeah, they were. They slapped. Level will have to be 1. Calling Dr. Juan. Stop. I don't know why I always do that. Alright, so I'm going to borrow a little piece of code from my thing here, and that is the part that actually creates the additional canvas. Scene boot equals classics. Do I have a scene boot option here? No. Okay, so we don't need a multiplier. All I need to gather from it is this right here, pixie.texture.from. Yeah, this dot copy texture and copy sprite. Scale mode is nearest. Alright, so I no longer need, I don't know why I didn't just copy it that way, but this dot, and this will be called water texture. Base texture dot scale mode equals nearest. Okay, it should all work. And then this will be water. Bless you, daughter. All right, you're welcome. Okay, it has to be one of these that I had. It's this one? Ah, whatever. I'll just go back to it. 0, use this folder. RMMZ code. JS. I always do libs. Plugins, shaders, and I'm just gonna copy the vignette thing real quick. Uni arms. But yeah, no, we can actually make rippling effects, like when you step in the water. See if I can. Oh, I'll find it later. Rained up for alright. Uniforms. Alright, so we don't need size. We do need everything else though. This time. We don't need style. Okay, so we got current and default, and then now we'll have water. You know what? We might. Ooh, we can even do it this way. Yo! Oh, this is gonna be sick. You know what? We're gonna do it all programmatically. Let's go. This is gonna be cool. Is there like a way to do soft edges? Okay, that's fine. So we'll just make a custom canvas for that. All right, this is gonna be sick. And just watching her try to buy the one and only place she doesn't have. She'll probably get it. So water texture will now be pixie.texture.from. Okay, this dot nani. So wait, nani. I really need to start streaming earlier so that I'm not like drained. Nanika. Alright, so let me see if this at least works. It does. Okay. Make water. Create water textures. And that needs to be called before that. And now we're gonna need to do uniform vec4 water map. Or vec2 water map. No, it's uniform texture water map, I think. Maybe it will be a vec4. What is uSampler again? Oh, it's a sampler 2D. Yeah, that's fine. So here we go, fun classes. Yeah, this is gonna be dope. You're rolling in the money, Alright, class, water canvas, and constructor, map width, map height, no, okay, yeah, we just need to do, okay, this dot canvas, wait, I need to organize this, create, this dot create canvas, this dot canvas equals document dot create element, canvas, this dot context equals document, wait, this dot canvas dot get context 2D, and then we will do draw blotch width height strength, and this will be how you draw a blotch to the canvas. Alright, first I need to do HTML canvas, gradient, fill, circle. Okay, so we need to create a radial gradient. And yeah, x coordinate is the starting circle of the gradient, which is going to be the width and height divided by 2 of the position that you set. Okay, this, yeah, we got this. X, Y, width, height, strength. Const grd equals this dot context dot hookers. Okay, radius. All right. Oh, whoops. So that'll tell us like whichever one's higher is one of the radian, the thing that is width and height, right? Oh no, so this is the ending of the thing. So 0, the radius of the ending circle. The heck does that even mean? So that increases the density of that. Gotcha. So this will be the strength. Yeah, okay. So this will be the strength. And then this will be the highest point. So if we have a strength of 50, and then like the ending here, we are trying to draw. Okay, yeah. All right, this will work. I'm just gonna change this to black real quick. Representing transparency. That does. So let's say c dot width divided by 2, c dot height divided by 2, and then 0, 0. Oh, that's the radius. Yeah. So 0, 0. So these also need to be. That's fine. Okay. I think I see how this works. Wait, huh? No, I don't. Oh, yeah, I do. Yeah, I do. Put this in 0, 0, and this should work. Yeah, there we go. On the other hand, if we want to increase... Okay, yeah, so you can basically only like place a blotch. What happens if I do that? What happens if this is also a 50? Or 20? Okay. So... Alright, so okay, if we do this then, keep this one as 0, and make the first one c dot width, or c dot height, since width is longer, divided by our strength, which is say 50. Okay. -5. Okay, so the smaller. So we would need to do times. Like, let's say strength divided by 100. And yeah, there we go. So now as we increase the strength, it gets bigger. And when we decrease the strength, it gets smaller. Okay. Okay. So this will have to be 0, and this one will be that, and then times strength divided by 100. However, we're going to need a way to redraw the canvas too. You know, for like scrolling stuff. So let's create an object array. Especially because we want to be able to like step in the water and make ripples and stuff. So we're going to create a water or an object array. And then this will basically create... Okay, so that's how we're going to do this. Media, add color. Stop. Yeah, good. 0 is transparent. GRD.add color. Stop. 1 is white. No, we'll not do it that way. But I still need to do it this, like this though. Strength multiplier, and then what we can do from there is this right here. RGBA 255. Wait, 250. I can have it. 255 times str multiplier. We'll do the same thing for the art and with the GMB as well. And then the A will be 1. Yeah, we can actually just do 1 for the A. Okay, so this should work. And now if we create an... Okay, so let new canvas equals create element canvas new CTX equals new canvas dot get context 2D new canvas dot width equals the radius, which is this. Radius and new canvas dot height equals radius, and now we do this dot object array dot push width, height, and then new canvas, and then GRD for gradient. Matter of fact, we're gonna move that down here. Do new CTX. What's that? And we'll replace this with add blotch, and then draw all blotches. And then we'll say this dot object array dot map blotch, and then we'll say this dot canvas dot width equals this dot canvas dot width to clear it, and then this dot context dot draw image blotch dot canvas 0 0. Wait, well. I need to actually draw the thing. Will this work? Yes, it does. All right, good. That way we only have to process the blotch drawing once, and we can freely like manipulate them after that, and even draw like ripples and stuff on a separate layer to amplify the effect. So this would be blotch.x, blotch.y. Oh yeah, and then blotch.width and blotch.height. That should allow us to create a stretched effect as well. Canvas.style equals image rendering pixelated, image rendering crisp edges, image rendering optimized speed. I'll do the same thing for the other one here. Okay. Also got it. Alright, let's go ahead and make a test. This dot test water equals new water canvas. And then this dot water sprite equals new pixie, dot sprite, new pixie dot texture dot from this dot test water dot canvas. This dot add child, this dot water sprite. And then we should just be able to do this dot water or test water dot add blotch, and we'll say at 256 by 128. Let's say that, and then strength B50. And we might have to do that under, but we'll see. Did I not? Okay, let me make sure. Oh. Oh yeah, and then we need to do Hey, it's there. You can see it. Yes. Very friggin' cool. So now we're gonna do yeah, we'll do it down here. I'll just replace the word test water. Water container, and then water sprite with okay. So now that we have that, what we can Hold on. Be right back. Okay. We'll be here. Yeah. Appreciate it. But we also want to do this dot water container. Or wait. Yeah, we'll do it here. I guess we can just straight up do I.uniforms dot. What was it? What was the texture thing that we called it? Water map equals this dot water sprite dot. I guess we'll just have to do this dot water texture equals that. And this dot water texture. So by doing that, I think. Just watching quietly? Yeah. Okay, why is it not drawing anymore though? That part kind of makes me nervous. What did I change? Besides the name. What? No, it can't be that, so let me try something. Oh, yeah, duh. How did it draw before? That's weird. No, it should have drawn before. Am I getting any errors? No. It should automatically update, right? Anyway. I'll just link it like this. Pixie Dust, right? Yeah, that's working. That's how that goes. And then we'll say, we'll try, after that we'll do this dot base dot update, and then this dot base dot update UVs. I think we just need the update function though. Yep, there we go. Okay, so now we need to link it to the map, and the best way we can do that is, you guessed it, Calling a hooker. Alright, stop. We're not doing that. So minus game map.display x times game map.tile width. So then I will do the same thing with this, but I should have just, well, first off, display y, and then tile height. Now it should quite literally be at the top left, and yeah, like when we move, you'll see that it no longer moves with the camera. That's what we want. But a tired brain should not code. I think I'm gonna end here soon. Not right now, but here soon. Because we're gonna draw all the. Yeah, that makes sense. So instead of adding it here, sprite set dot tile map dot add child, and then we'll say this dot water sprite dot z equals 0, or yeah, we'll do 0. That way it's underneath actors and stuff like that. So if we now it won't be covering the main player or the tops of the trees, as you can see. Unfortunately though, due to the way RPG Maker works, it will be covering the bottom half of the trees. So the best thing to do about that is just to make the trees actors. She thought she was gonna lose. She definitely did not lose. Alright, now instead of giving the filter the thing, we'll give, instead of like giving the main thing the filter here, we will give the water filter yeah, we'll give the water sprite that, and then what we need to do, clone texture equals new pixie switcher from. How did I do that again? Graphics, yeah, there we go. I'll just straight up copy that one. Yeah, we want to update it before that takes effect. So what we want to do is this dot water sprite dot visible equals false. Update it and then return it to true, so that we can. We're not gonna. Oh, it's okay, Neo. Have a good night. Yeah, I'm gonna go here soon as well. Draw. Okay. What was I? Where's my brain going? There it is. Uniforms dot. Why do I keep forgetting the name of the texture? Water map. Okay. Let's not name it. Yeah, we'll keep it water map. All right. So now, if all went well. we should be able to do this. All jankness is about to go down, I bet you. It worked. So if I do 0.5, are you serious or not? Hold on. There's no way that worked. Like, just like that. No, I didn't think so. Okay. Oh. I wonder I couldn't find it. Let's try getting rid of all this first. See if that does anything different. No, it doesn't. Okay. Well, plan B would be to do this, and then we won't need a copy texture. Let's see. So if we do just water, it should only show us the water texture. But it's not doing any of that. Why? Is it because I have it disabled? Oh, it probably would have worked the whole dang time. That is what a tired brain gets. Alright, however, it is still not doing what I want it to do. Yeah, we are in the water one, right? Yeah. So why is it not? Oh. Yep, there we go. Excellent. Amen. So check this out. What we can do is this right here. So check this out. All right, plus cosine. We'll do it the right way. I'm just getting excited now. Plus cosine, and then we'll say lumens water times plus pi. Or no, yeah, no, this needs to be times pi. So let's just do the x position first, and then we'll say current. Alright, so that is pretty much how that's time times pi. Alright, so that's that, and then divided by width times the lumens. Let's just start out doing divided by width. Alright, so yeah, now it's going to wave the whole dang thing. Lumens plus S times pi? Okay, well, let's do this then. Total white okay, let's do white level effect 4. Return color dot r plus color dot b plus color dot b plus. Well, yeah, we can just do RGB. Or no, we can actually just base it off the color dot a. So we can say water dot a. Yeah, so now it's gonna. All right, so now we can say. Okay, we no longer need to add child to this. Wait, what am I doing? Wrong one again. Since we're not going to be... should get rid of the grayness, and it should just be like a wave effect everywhere, and you can see it more where the water is over there. Alright. Times water.a. Alright, so that is the distortion that we're kind of ish looking for. No, that's not enough. Divided by 1 point plus water.a. There we go. That's the kind of distortion we're looking for. Plus cosine, and then S time. No, that's not gonna cut it like that. And then we will do current. Okay, so we'll say it'd be pretty cool to couple that waving with rainy weather. Fake water down on the screen. Yeah, it would. Oh, that's another thing. With this, we'll be able to make it so that like when it rains, like anywhere there is water, it'll make it ripple. Mix current default, and this will be based on the water.alpha. Alright, so now, as you can see, it's only taking place where the thing is. Now we just need to do the same thing we did there, but replace cosine with sine. Alright, so we have like this blur, but now we want to mix that with so current dot r minus equals water dot r. So now it's starting to kind of get like a bluish tint. Matter of fact, we can also do this to give it like even more texture. Color.x plus y plus. And we want it to reflect a little bit down, so we'll say 4 pixels down. So 8, we'll say 8 pixels. 8 divided by height plus. Okay. Yeah, let's not do that. Wait, what just happened? This went all the wrong place. Excuse me, what? All the right grunts in all the right places. Intruders coming down. Okay, no, that's correct. Plus 8 divided by height plus sine. 1, 2, 1, 2. I guess that's correct. Cosine water dot A plus regular water dot A, and then here we will do sine water dot A plus. Okay, so what we can do then, make the default first, and then do, instead of base the distortion off of that, we can do a standard, like an actual refraction. So const L equals lumens, default, float, dlum, I guess we'll call it, yeah. Dlum times pi, and then this will just straight up be dlum times pi as well. Alright, so yeah, now the distortion is more based on but the mixing is backwards though, so I need to get that with current. There we go. Alright, so yeah, now the distortion is taking effect, but I need to say plus b texture chord dot x times pi. So that'll help distort. Wait, that's time. Hold on now. Yeah. There we go. S time divided by dlum to make it. Oh, you know what? Yeah, check this out. You can do it that way too. But now we just need to make it happen below the other characters. And to do that, we are going to have to go back a bit to... We're replacing this dot filters with water sprite dot filters again. Re-adding the child here. Okay, so this is gonna be mad jank, but okay, reading map. What are you talking about? Where? Oh, you know what? I know where. Yeah, it's gonna be that one. All right. That's why. Yeah. Alright. So yeah, this is gonna be a bit weird. But it is gonna So yeah, now we need to just do... graphics dot app dot view, wait, renderer dot view is what it was, I think. Yeah, graphics dot app dot renderer dot view. Okay. So now it's going to be a bit backwards. Okay, but it is working. I can tell it's working because... okay, this will be water map. Oh, I never did update the thing either. Because we're working for Team Rocket and we're never gonna stop. Giovanni, he told me I'm something nice. Said if I don't, I'll be swimming with Magikarp. What the dookie? Okay, if I do current, right, that should be like almost the exact same texture. Yeah, okay. So we do know that it is in fact working. Okay, hold on. That's why, because the, yeah. Why is it not properly doing it? Oh yeah, no, we're gonna do the same thing for the water thing too. Oops. Sorry if this stream's a little bit boring, by the way. Okay, so yeah, that is working. Excellent. And now we just... Yep, there we go. And then... But I don't know why the... Oh yeah, no, naturally that wouldn't work. So this is the clone texture part. You're enjoying it? Learning is learning. I'll eventually put it into practice. I'm really glad to hear that. I am. So basically, I think what I may start doing. Okay, DLUM. Yeah, this would have to be DLUM of water. That's why. So yeah, I'm gonna start making videos again, but I don't know like how I'm gonna format them yet. All right, that is not working. Why is it not working with this? I don't get that. Current should be like having a wave effect. I don't know why. So current is, the texture is not getting updated is what it is. But why? This dot water sprite. Console.log. No, it's definitely... Oh, you know what? That's why. So it looks like it's wanting to, like, kinda, sorta work. Can't remember if it was a capital V as well. Been rewatching the original 4 NC tutorials, going through the rest slowly. My brain fights taking in new information, but something's clicked this year. I feel that. I feel the pain on that. I really do. So, why is it not updating though? Alright, well, let's try... Yeah, so the water map and U sampler. So why is water map not working though? Yeah, see? It's loading the water map, but the rest is apparently turning black. So current... let's do water. Yeah. Oh, you know what? I know exactly why it's doing it. Because of the vTexture coords, it's... No, because it's still the same thing, so that should be fine. That worked, kinda. Current times equals water, I guess. Why does that? Okay, divide. What is that? Why? Why? Okay, well, let's try this. Mix current default 0.01. And this will need to be water. See, like, it'll slowly get darker. But the base texture isn't working at all. It's not updating. And that's the only issue. Okay, so instead of graphics.app.renderer.view, let's try this .sprite set .tilemap dot upper layer. No. Scene manager dot scene dot sprite set dot tile map. It's a standard tile map that has its own filter thing, and then we will do lower layer and upper layer. Yeah, so it is upper layer. Dot upper layer, which is a tile map dot layer, which contains. Does it have a canvas? It should, because otherwise it can't draw. Yeah, so it should automatically get that, right? Figured. Resource. Okay. Oh, come on. Come on, man. Scene manager, scene sprite set. It's a sprite set map, which is yet again a subclass of that. So that. Well, I guess we'll just do. Dot texture, I guess. Oh my hooker. All right, so now it's working. I can tell it's working because the thing. I can also tell it's not working because okay, so in order for this to work, then if we want it to be like this, like that, then we're gonna have to add a small delay for the update. I'm hoping like after drawing everything, then that update will be just fine. But it doesn't look like it. So what we're gonna have to do then is create a variable. So this dot updater equals, well, let's just call it something actually official. Water copy texture update equals 0. And then yeah, after this, after we test this one, then I'll go plus plus. And then if %2 is equal to 1, meaning like it'll update at 30 FPS if the game updates at 60. So like whatever the game updates as, that's, yeah. All right, then let's try this. Oh, wait, am I ever not resetting it? Hold on. Dot water map. Dot destroy. Water map equals. Let's try it this way. What are you talking about? What are you oh. Okay, yeah. Made a typo. Non-reading resource. The cache that already had been entry. Alright, so let's just set it to this then. Let's not copy texture. Maybe I do need to reset it like that every time. Why is it not working though? I'll figure this out regardless, but let's try this. Pixie texture, destroy completely, remove cache. Does not delete entries from cache. Remove texture from cache. Page shown not destroy true. Well, how about this then? What if we just straight up do update? Oh! I am the one, the one dumb. Alright. This is when we just need to do this right here. I'm too tired for this. Okay, but it's updating, so what's going on with it? Oh wait, am I... Oh, I'm actually dumb. Yeah, I needed to wait for a bit to update so that I can grab the dang full-on render. You should get some sleep. I would, but the way my bank account's set up. Oh, come on, what is happening? Alright. Giovanni, he told me I better bring something nice. Said if I don't, I'll be swimming with Magikarp every night. Okay, I think we're good now. Okay, I think we're not good now. Let's try this. River trouble, swimming around that base, make it double. Swimming around that base, around that base. Swimming around that base, around that base. I'm bringing you to me. Alright, well, let's see. Why What? Okay, what if we do a set timeout here? For like one whole dang second before it does all that. Oh! Okay. Yes, I am sort of dumb. I forgot that this needs to be enabled. Never mind. Okay, why? Firstly, let's not. And now we can just straight up do this. Alright, yeah, after this though, regardless, I'm definitely most definitely gonna just call it after this. Kinda. Because you know I'm spinning around that base, round that base. Really? Water times current. It's just not updating these? Someone needs to, yeah. Yes, they do. So I know for a fact random is working. So I'm going to Alright, y'all figure this out later. Would you get more profits if I made an equal donation as purchased on Itch as or as a YouTube? Yo, thank you. I appreciate the offer. Well, I think the YouTube subscription thing would be pretty awesome. I would make more in the long run, I guess, from that. But yeah, so since you're gonna be joining and stuff, I'll continue streaming real quick because I don't want to let you down. Plus, I know I'm like right on the edge of figuring this out. It is. But like I wouldn't be going to sleep right now anyways. Like, all I would have been doing is basically just not code for a bit after taking a break, and then I would get back to it on my own, so I might as well. Round that base, round that base. I'm bringing Mewtwo back. Okay. I got uniforms. Water map. Am I just not doing this right? Hold on. Passing textures to fragment shader. Yeah, no, it's definitely that. So, does it just not work like that then? I'm assuming. But yeah, if you don't mind me like just not being as like hype about it and stuff, I really could keep streaming. I really don't mind. Yeah, thank you. Now, how can I like, well, alright. So, I want to do a personalized tutorial for you since you became a member. So I guess what we'll do is move on to that in a few minutes. Let's try this, just straight up doing it this way. New pixie.texture.from graphics.app.renderer.view. Okay. In that case, we can do this. I have an alternative here, and it is going to be weird. No, I can't do it that way either. Alright, yeah, I'll get back to that one later on. So, I'm going to go ahead and show you, Airless, how to make, like, your own kind of rendering thing and stuff. You'll see what I mean. Sorry, my brain is just, like, not having it right now. But thank you so much, though. I really appreciate that. You're going to need to make some coffee yourself? Good. Get it. Get that coffee. Don't deny the coffee its chance to be drank. Golly, it's midnight though? It's 12:30? Holy hooker. Alright, anyway. So in that case, I will wait till you come back, and then I'll try to figure this out. I think what it is, we can't draw from the texture like that because it refuses to actually update. Which means the paint blotches, they'll have to be above everything, and I don't want that. If there's a way I can delay the update process. What if I would do this before this again? This might result in an error. You're back. Welcome back. No way. Did it work? No, I think it's because we have... No, it did. No way. Dude, I think we got it. I don't know how, but I think we got it. Yes. Kinda? Sorta kinda? Maybe? What do you mean? You know what? Whatever. Alrighty. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and do like the personalized thing for you real quick. If I can find my brain. There we go. Alright. Have you heard of Electron? Or Node.js? Like NPM and all that? I'm pretty sure you have, but... we're just going to copy this bit of code here. You know what? We'll just use Node WebKit for this. So I'm going to show you how to like make your own renderer and stuff, and it's going to be really cool. Let me just straight up copy the thing though. What am I doing? All right. I'll just copy one from this, no matter. Package.json. npm init one. Oh yeah, you can do so much cool stuff with it. I just need to copy the window property here. Yeah, 640 by 360 should be fine. Alright, now index.html. Script src equals run.js. So yeah, we're going to create a run.js folder or file. And we're going to make a little HTML file that will load the run.js after all of this is done. And the reason being is because we're going to be pretty organized with this. I want to try and make this a little bit professional since you became a member. Thank you again. I really appreciate that. I guess we'll say... yeah, we'll do source. And... app. We'll make a source folder and an app folder. In the source folder, we're going to have index dot... you know what? Matter of fact, let's use TypeScript. So we're gonna instead we're gonna do just script and then defer, and then we're gonna inside of the script we're gonna do require ./app/index.js. We put a lot of time in this. At least I can do. I appreciate that, and seriously, thank you. It does mean a lot, because I mean, I didn't think I was, you know, really doing anything that was worth becoming a member for, but I guess I was. Alright. So yeah, how this is gonna work, okay, how much do you know about TypeScript? If you haven't installed TypeScript already, npm init, npm i-g TypeScript. So you're gonna need to type that so you can install TypeScript globally, or if you're on Linux, if you're on Fedora, you can actually just straight up do npm install TypeScript, I think, or TypeScript, something like that. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna hold Control, Shift, and press B. There will be no build tasks because we need the file. I am smart. One sec. I know I have one here. I think it's right here, actually. No, it should be in here. Should be in results, session 1, tsconfig.json. Here we go. So we're going to need a file called tsconfig.json, and we're going to put the following code in it. It's just a very simple thing. We got compiler options as a value. We're setting the target to ES5, which is like the older style JS, and we're setting the module to CommonJS, and we don't need a source map. I guess we do. Yeah. So yeah, we'll do source map and source root as well. Source root will be set to the / and then src folder. The out directory will be set to / app instead of JS. Okay, so now if we press Control Shift B, you'll see we have build and watch. So we're going to select watch. I know you're probably going to need to rewatch this because I'm probably going to be like going a little bit fast, but so basically what this does is you can see over here we have index.js already. So if I were to make a change to index.ts, like let's say we're using something modern, so import fs, star as fs from fs. Now right away it's gonna somewhat have an error, and it'll let you know it's because we haven't installed the type declarations. So we're gonna go over to the bash, npm I think it's @types node. Hold on, let me verify that. Yeah, @types/node. That's what it was. @types/node. Doesn't need to be global. It can if you want it to be, but it doesn't have to be. and that'll fix that error. So now, if you look over here, if we make a change, so fs.read file, blah, 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 you'll see that it updates over here, and it turns it into the older style JavaScript. So basically, we can get all of the modern style coding, like beautiful style coding and stuff. Anyway, so that's why we're going to be using TypeScript. So we're going to create a new folder in this source folder. Hold on. First, let's just see if this works. It should. But let's see. Document.body.inner HTML equals pickles. So yeah, we're gonna do /node. We're gonna open the Node WebKit version, which I have it in the folder here, the main folder, and we're just gonna open the file dot, which will open up index.html. Now it's not working, so we're gonna figure out why. It should be working. You know what? We'll just do this then. src equals /app/index.js. I don't know why I didn't do it that way. I mean, that was how I was originally going to plan to do it. Okay, is it just not loading the... No, it's working. It's there. Okay. Alright, so yeah, that's working. So we don't need run.js anymore. We can get rid of that. Alright, now we're going to make the folder. We're going to make some classes. So I guess we'll call this classes. And then inside of the classes folder, we'll have index.ts. Module.exports equals just an empty object for now. And then we're going to have more folders inside of the classes folder. So this will be called canvas. And we're going to do index.ts inside of canvas as well. Now, class canvas. Constructor. Now, to define the... view is HTML canvas element. Context is any. So this is how you define personal variables in the index in TypeScript. So without these, you could choose how strict it is, but without these, if you were to do like this dot thing equals 50, you'll like get a little error here, and that's because it doesn't exist in the type canvas here. You could like declare it like here if you want. It'll like help you do it. If you just want to code with TypeScript just so that you can convert it to the old style, you can actually do @ts ignore. Oh, sorry, I did it wrong. So it would be / and then @ts ignore. Now we can do this.py equals blah blah, and then yeah, you'll see. Oops, I'm sorry. ts no check, I think it was. Yeah, ts no check, and then you'll get no errors. Really don't recommend that. But if you do just want to do something like this, and you just only having one variable that you want to do it with, then you can do @ts.-ignore right above it, and it'll get rid of that error. So let's go ahead and do this. Number, height, number. So here we're defining what type of argument this is. So the argument width will now be defined as a number. So as such, if you were to, like, from a developer standpoint, this is amazing, because if we were to do this, f equals new canvas, right here immediately it says that it's going to say that we need 2 arguments. Now if we try to set one of those arguments to pi, it should return an error, but it's not. Why? There we go. Yeah, it needs to be capitalized. Yeah. So now it'll tell you right here, that it needs to be a number. So that's one of the reasons that we want to do this. Let's see, where do I want to go from here? I guess we'll just go ahead and start making functions. So we'll say this dot init. Now it's gonna, first you're gonna get a little error, but don't worry about that. Width, height, and then we'll copy this over here. So then we're gonna say this dot view equals new document dot create element canvas. Now you'll see this won't be an error because the view is meant to be a type of HTML canvas element. If the type doesn't exist, then you can do any. So that's why the context needs to be any. Otherwise, like when you try to set it as a context element, wait, maybe, can I try this? I wonder if this will work. Hold on. Yo, this would be kind of cool. I don't know if this will work, so bear with me here. Set it equal to that first, and then now what would that be? Canvas rendering context 2D. Okay. So yeah, we can do it this way then. Alright. Excellent. Excellent, yeah. If you want to see what it's exporting as, because ES5 didn't support classes, it does the prototype system, similar to how RPG Maker does. So now, same with the constants. So if I need a const, it'll automatically update this to like cover the constants, or it'll just like straight up replace it with var. New canvas 32 by 32. Let's just say that, for example. We save that and export it. Okay, yeah. So, okay, that's good. That's good. That's good. Module exports equals canvas. So now we have our base canvas here. We'll have a function called spawn, and then where will be document, dom div, HTML element of any kind, and then where dot append child this dot view. But yeah, let me know if you get too tired or anything like that, or like too bored, and then I guess we'll call it. Okay, so then we're gonna do this dot view dot width equals width. This dot view dot height equals height. Number or number. Okay, you know what? Let's just do it that way. Okay. Now we're gonna have an update function. Actually, yes. Okay, so we are going to have an update function. And then it will be this.view.width equals this.view.width. That'll basically clear the canvas. Copy is working. If you need a break, you should take it. I could take some time to rewatch this bit for the setup. You could. All right, in that case, I'll go ahead and I'll go ahead and like hurry with this part. Import canvas from /classes/canvas. Why are you giving me an error? Oh. Const test canvas equals a new canvas. And we will do. Wait, why is this? TS is not a module. What do you mean? Yes, it is. Yes, it is. It's literally right there. It was classes, canvas, index is not a module. It darn well is. Alright. Okay, well, it's telling us there's an error there, but I don't think there will be. Apparently there is. Alright, so let's change the TS config to ES6 then. Oh, you know, no, yeah, no, that's correct. Exports is not defined. What are you talking about? Alright then, I guess we'll just do ES next. Might have to wait till tomorrow. It's still trying to do like some exports thing. We'll just do the old way then. Oh! No, that's definitely correct. Why can you not find it? Classes, canvas, index.js. It's right there, dude. Oh, because I have an error here. How do I have an error here? What? Index.ts. Oh, you know what? Alright, yeah, we'll figure this out tomorrow. Alright, thank you again, Airless, and yeah, you have a good night.